Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I highly welcome back. I'm going to show you guys in this video how I made this easiest box braid with bubbles, okay, using Brazilian wool, the normal Brazilian wool you know. That's exactly what I'm going to use for this hair. Okay, to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, please, I'm begging you, please subscribe. So I'm going to use this particular wool, the normal Brazilian wool, you know. Okay, so I just have to roll it out. Then I use my tape to measure out 32 inches. Okay, depending on the length you want, you can exceed 32. Okay, it can make yours not to be up to 32. It can make 40 inches depending on the length you want. So I just measure out 32 inches. From that 32 inches, then I'll start rolling out the wool, okay, the brass wool, like that. So I'll keep rolling, all right, till I'm done. Then I'll use my scissors to cut it. Okay, just cut it into two, like that. So guys, I've parted my hair into bosses. Okay, I did 17 bosses. All right, so you can part yours depending on how big or small you want yours to be. So I've done like 2, but I'm going to show you guys how I did everything, from the braiding to the bubbles and everything. So I'm just applying my styling gel, okay, for easy gripping. So applying my styling gel, then I use my hair comb to smoothen my hair, after which I try to twist my hair. Okay, like I said, this is the easiest box braid. You don't need to divide your hair into 3, all those process. No, just follow what I'm doing. You can do this as a beginner. You don't know how to box braid, you can do this because it's easy for you to do. So I apply the styling gel on my hair too, my natural hair, the tip, okay, so as when I'm braiding, my natural hair won't be visible, guys. That's the reason why I'm doing this. Then I'm using 30 pieces of the brass wool, so you can exceed this number depending how the volume, depending how large you want your box braid to be. So I just use it and be braiding together with my natural hair. Then when I braid like 2 times, I separate the brass wool, like pick little amount and then place it on my, and then I place it where my natural hair is, just to tuck in my natural hair. Alright, so while I braid, I make sure that my natural hair is not visible, like is inside the brass wool, okay, so that my natural hair will be visible. Like I said, this is the easiest box braid you can do. You can do this as a beginner. It's very easy. Okay, so when I get to the point where my bubbles will start, I'll just have to knot the hair like 2 times, okay, before I go ahead and then start my bubbles. So this is how I do the bubbles. So I just give a little space, like 2 inches there. Then I use one of the brass wool to knot it, okay. I knot it twice, okay. When I'm done, then I move again a little bit, and then I use one of the brass wool to knot it, okay, just like that. I'm just creating the bubbles, guys. Like I said, this is the easiest box braid you can do with bubbles. Very easy, okay. You don't need to stress yourself separating your input through those process. It's very easy. As a beginner, you can do this. Anyone can do this. Okay, just follow through what I'm doing. You'll be able to get it. So I'm just creating my bubbles by giving a little space. This is brass wool, guys. I'm using a brass wool already, so you can use brass wool to achieve this. Alright. So moving over to this one, I just want to show you guys exactly what I did. So I apply my hair styling gel, okay, then I use my comb to do this. All right, like I said, I parted my hair into 17 bosses. So, and I use a rubber band. Okay, I use a band to hold each of the bosses. So when I get to even pause, I just have to use it, apply my styling gel, and then try to twist my hair, natural hair. Then I get my brass wool. Like I said, I'm using 30 pieces. It depends on how the volume you want. So you can use 30 pieces or less than. So when I braid like 2 times that way, then I separate a little amount of the wool, then place it in my natural hair, just to tuck in my natural hair like that. So while I braid, I make sure my natural hair is well stuck inside the brass wool. Okay. So while I braid, I keep separating the braid and the brass wool, so it will not stuck with each other or try to trap. So this is exactly what I do. So I'll keep braiding like that till I get to where my bubbles will start. Don't worry about the tip. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did. Okay. So if you know that you are finding any value from this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Okay. Then like this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So I'm creating my bubbles now. So I just move down a little bit, like 2 inches, like I said. Then I use the one of the brass wool to make a knot. Then I move a little bit down again. I make a knot. When I'm done, I move a little bit down again to make a knot. And like I said, anybody can do this. Like as a beginner, you can do this. You can braid your hair yourself. Okay, you can do this. Just follow through what I'm showing you, and you will achieve a more beautiful result than this my own. So guys, if you know you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. I make videos on braiding hairs, like hair ventilation, hair maintenance, making of wigs and stuff like that. Just help me to subscribe, like, share this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, what do you think about this style of hair? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. So when I get to the tip now, okay, when I'm done with the bubbles, I just have to separate my hair. Sorry, separate the brass wool. Okay, braiding hair into 3, then I start braiding till I get to the tip. Okay, making sure I make the length I want now. Then I'll give it a knot like 3 times. Okay, I make sure that the knot is very very tight because I don't want to use any, let's say, candle stuff from the brass wool. I just want the tip to be like that. So that's why you need to give it a very tight knot like that. So guys, while you braid, make sure that the base is very very secured but not too tight. Okay, so you don't end up having headache. Just make sure it's firm enough, the base is firm enough before you go ahead and braid. So as you can see, while I braid, I separate pick little amounts of the braiding hair, then place it on where my natural hair is. Okay, and my styling gel makes it easy for me to tuck in my natural hair inside the brass wool. Okay, so that my natural hair will not be visible when I'm done braiding. So while I braid, I separate the brass wool, okay, so that it will not tangle with each other. So guys, I'm simply creating my bubbles here. Okay, when I move a little bit down, I use one of the brazos to give it a knot like twice, then I move down again and repeat the same process. Okay, so when I'm done with this whole stuff, when I'm done with the whole bosses, okay, then I have to use my scissors to trim it. If there's any fire off, I trim, then I applied hot water, especially the tip.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone.
And guys, this is what we have. Very easy to do, very easy, very beautiful. It didn't even take me up 1 hour. I'm done with this whole thing. Okay, so just give it a try. Let me know in the comment section what do you think. Okay, what do you think about this style, the process, and everything. Thank you guys for watching. And see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share.